G'day guys, John from Ruralco Water here with your first weekly market update for 2026. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you had a good Christmas and I hope you have a prosperous 2026 going forward. Well, dry conditions continue across the Southern Basin and they're continuing to intensify. And irrigators across that Southern Murray-Darling Basin are facing a growing uncertainty as we head into the second half of this season. Storages, with that, continue drying. Storages continue to get drawn down. Currently at 56% for Southern Basin storages, compared to 71% this time last year. And that's a bit worrying as we look towards next year and next season and what we're doing about security there. And with that tightening in the water market, we've seen an increased interest in leases and forwards for next year as growers try to secure some security with that uncertainty that's being caused by a lack of rainfall and drawn down storages. With that lack of rainfall and dry conditions, we're seeing significant volatility in the temporary allocation market at the moment. We've seen a big lift in demand after Christmas, and this is underpinning firmer prices across all markets in the Southern Basin with significant volatility. We saw a big jump in allocation prices yesterday. There's a lot more supply in the market today, so we're seeing that just stabilise and calm down a bit. But as conditions continue to be dry and as demand continues to increase as we head towards harvest, we could expect more jumps and more volatility in the market. For the latest prices and what's happening in temporary allocation, leases and forwards, contact your local Ruralco Water broker or head to ruralcowater.com.au. Permanent prices are broadly steady. We've seen a little bit of a pause in that market over the Christmas break, but there is still interest out there from buyers and sellers, and that market is pretty steady. On the Commonwealth front, the deadline for those who have been invited to respond to EOI 1 is the 16th of January. If you're still a little bit uncertain about that, talk to your Ruralco Water broker and get the latest intel around that as well. And just some key dates to wrap up this week. The next allocation announcements for both Victoria and New South Wales are on the 15th of January. With that lack of rainfall and the drawn down storages, we're not expecting much joy for anyone, which will keep pressure on the market going forward. If you'd like more information on anything and the latest information on the market, talk to your local Ruralco Water broker. Thanks and have a great week.